For those needing help multiplying and dividing by the power of 10, 100,000, let me help you with the strategy that we use in class. So I will start with multiplying. Now, before I start doing that, let me go back to something that we used to do in 4th grade. And so in 4th grade, students learned that if we multiply by the power of 10, 100,000 to find the answer, basically what you do is you copy the 68 and then you add the 0. And that's your answer, 680. If you multiply by 100, you just copy 101 and then you add the 2 zeros. 1, 2, 3, comma, 10,100. Okay, let's say by 1,000, you just copy your number, 742, and then you add your 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so that's what they were doing in 4th grade. So in 5th grade, the idea is still the same, except that we do have to add that decimal. So let me tell you what I mean. I'll get right into it. Right here, I am going to copy the 8. I am going to add the 0. Now, so far, I'm doing what I learned in 4th grade. But now, I need to add that decimal. And to add the decimal, I need to count how many decimal places I have. So here, I have 1, 2 decimal places. So then 1, 2. Here's where my decimal goes. So technically for this one, my answer is right here, 8/10. Now remember, when we write decimals, we don't have to write basically this 0 right here. We don't have to write that. That one can drop off. Okay, let me do another example. Let's say here, so I copy this number, 9, 3, 4. I add 2 zeros. Okay. And then that so far is like 4th grade. Now I need to go and count my decimal places. I have 1 decimal place. So then this is 1 decimal place. This is where it belongs. 1, 2, 3, comma. That means my answer is 9,340. Okay, let me do another one. Copy the number, 1904. Add your zeros, 1, 2, 3. Again, this is like 4th grade. Now we add our decimals. We have to count how many decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. My decimal goes right here. So my answer for this one is 1,904. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and stay with multiplication and keep showing you 3 more examples. Okay. So, same strategy. Copy your number. Add that 0. Count your decimal places. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Decimal goes right there. Your answer for this one is 45 7/10. Okay, let's keep going. Copy your number. Count your zeros. 1, 2 zeros. Let's add them. Now we're going to count our decimal places. We have 1, 2. So 1, 2. Our decimal goes right here. That means our answer is just 845. That's our answer. Okay, one more. Let's copy your number. 3, 2, 0, 3. And then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And then let's count our decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, decimal. Don't forget your comma there. So your answer is 3,203. Okay, so that's how we multiply. What about division? Okay, so in division, we are, what I usually like to tell students, we're just going back. We're moving our decimal place back, okay? So this one is actually probably a little bit easier. So what you want to do is we are going to copy this number just the way that it's written, okay? So we are going to write 54.7. Okay, so now we have 1 0 there. So we're going to get this decimal and we're going to move it back one time. Oh, that looked bad. Let's do it again. And I'm going to move it back one time. So that's where my decimal goes now, which means that my answer is 5 47 hundredths. Okay, let's do that again. I'm going to copy my number. I'm going to count how many zeros I have. 1, 2 for the 100. And then I'm going to get that decimal that I have here and I'm going to move it back 1, 2. My new decimal place goes right here. Now, in this case, we cannot leave this blank space there alone. That means we need to put a 0 to take its place, which means that our answer is, 0, 5, 7, 2. There's our answer. Okay, let's do it again. Copy the number. 3, 5, 6, decimal 1. Okay. 2 places. So we're going to move our decimal to the left 2 times. 1, 2. This is where our new decimal goes now, which means that our answer is 3 and 61 thousandths. Okay, let's keep going with this one. Do 3 more examples. Copy my number. Okay. I have a 0 there because I'm dividing by 10. That means I'm going to move my decimal place one time only. And this is where my new decimal goes. All right, so then my answer is 0 and 648 thousandths. All right, let's do another one. Copy. Count 2 zeros, 2. And now move your decimal to the left 2 times. 1, 2. Our answer is 0.9384. Okay, let's do another one. Copy your number. Count our zeros, 1, 2. And now move your decimal to the left 2 times. 1, 2. This is where it goes. So my answer is 5.432. There you go. So again, it's all about just knowing which way to move your decimal point. I'll go back over here. There you go.